Today I'm going to show you how to eat healthy when you're on the road. People will ask all the time, how do you eat healthy when you're on the road? And I say, well, it just takes a little common sense. And today we're on the road and I'm going to take you to a restaurant here that I've never been to before, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. And I know a lot of people really struggle with the fact that they think that they can't go out with their family and can't have a nice evening out, and a lot of times that stops people from actually changing their diet and doing something healthy. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really pretty easy. It just takes some common sense. Okay, so we're at BJ's, and this is a chain restaurant, so they're all over the country, and we're here for lunch. So I'm going to show you how I would typically pick out a lunch. We're not going to have this ice cream, and we're not going to have this cookie cake on the bottom either, but there's plenty of different ways that you can find things on here. Now, I know a lot of people, when we talk about this, will say the first thing to me is they think the first thing that I do is I go to the salads pages. And that's really not the case, although this menu here, as you're going to see, has got some really good looking salads. And you can certainly pick some of these salads, but today I'm not going to, and I'm going to show you some other things that you can have. But I'm also going to talk to you about when you pick a salad. And for example, salads you want to stay away from are salads that use iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce virtually has no nutritional value whatsoever. You know, look for something that uses romaine or a spring mix of greens, something like that. But so you can certainly do that, but just make sure that you're picky. Make sure if you're going to get a salad like that, get dressing on the side. Now, if you get a Caesar salad, you're not going to be able to, but you can tell them to be light on the dressing, because there can be a lot of sugar and stuff in dressing depending on what it is. Another thing, for example, if you can see, like this salad here, looks great, except it's got a lot of chips on it, like tortilla chips on it. Ask for it without that. Here's one I would stick away from. Here's a salad that looks really good. That's a fried chicken strip salad. Probably not your healthiest choice. So, but there are other things that I would look at. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to get today. But there are plenty of other choices. Just to give you an idea, here you've got a shrimp pasta. I'd stay away from that. Why? A lot of pasta, a lot of cream. Over here, ooh, looks great. Chicken fried steak with mashed potatoes. Am I going to get that? Nope, not going to get that. Why? Well, because it's fried and it's got mashed potatoes. It's got a lot of cream and fat in it, and a million calories. But there's other options here that you can see. Here's a grilled salmon with broccoli and some rice pilaf. I probably wouldn't eat the rice pilaf, but I could get that. It's still affordable. But like I said, tons of people that I talk to really believe that they can't go out to dinner, and it's just, you can't have what you would normally get is the change. That's the only change you've got to make. So what did I pick? What I picked today is I'm going to have the barbecue Bison Burger that's on the enlightened part of the menu. And it comes with a mixed green salad. It's got dressing on the side, so I can add dressing to it as I want. And I'm going to not eat the bun. So I'm going to get it with everything, and I'm just going to push the bun aside. Once in a while, if I really want to cheat and have some gluten, which is really not often, I might eat half of the bottom half of the bun, maybe. But it's not weird, trust me, if you do it, nobody's going to look at you and think you're crazy, because lots of people, will push the bun aside. There's no fries in that lunch, and so that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to get the Bison Burger. It's an all-natural burger. It says so in the description. So that's great. So I know it's not going to have lots of hormones and other, crap in it. And a mixed green salad. And I think I might they had some sides over here. I'm going to ask if they'll let. They had snacks and small bites. They had a turmeric roasted cauliflower side. And I might get that too. But again, this is supposed to be, light, and it's supposed to be lunch, and I don't like spending 12 or 15 bucks on lunch typically. So, so I might do that. I might not. We'll see when the waitress gets here. But yeah, but trust me, it'll be tasty and it'll be really good. And as soon as it arrives here, I'll show it to you and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's what I ordered. I ordered a Bison Burger, and instead of getting the bun, I got a lettuce wrap to go around with it. And it's got a tomato and guacamole kind of a salsa on it. And then I got a mixed green salad that you can see here with very light on the dressing, which is a vinegar and oil dressing, with some carrots and some basically a spring mix of lettuce. And then over here, I got a cauliflower and turmeric mix, which is kind of blended up almost like mashed potatoes, sorta. So pretty good, pretty healthy, and really tasty. So, and I think it's together, I think it's like $12.95. Did I get a soda? No, I got a glass of ice water with a lemon, which everybody should, either before or after your dinner. Another thing, don't get a cocktail. I mean, don't get a cocktail, don't get dessert, and you can get a really tasty, really nice meal. Just gotta be, you just gotta really take a little bit of time and just make some smart choices, and it'll all work out. So let me eat this and we'll see you next time.